What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another edition of ClearCryptos Education. On this particular video, sometimes we cover education, sometimes we cover the news. This video, we got to cover the news. Anyway, my name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. The man above is Jay Seals. And on today's video, we're going to be covering Mr. Sam Bankman-Fried and how he's tricked Washington into believing that what he's saying is absolutely the truth. So, Jay Seals, without further ado, take us into this article, man, so we can discuss this one.
All right, so the story of FTX's demise has been dominating the headlines for the last month. And with the crypto community still reeling, many are wondering just how tragedy struck so quickly. A new report from Insider outlines how Sam Bankman-Fried tricked Washington and brought FTX to the brink. Lavish parties and millions in donations all preceded Bankman-Fried's best efforts to create a relationship with Washington. And we kind of see that because they're still calling him a good guy. Conversely, it was a relationship that allowed the former CEO to have unprecedented control over what his platform was allowed to do. I think it's safe to say that he was by far the most engaged crypto CEO in Washington. These words were spoken by Adam, I'm not going to try to pronounce this guy's last name, the CEO of the Chamber of Progress, a trade group associated with FTX. Now, him saying that, you have to wonder, he was a super engaged crypto CEO, yet he knows nothing about his company, nothing at all, because he's playing stupid right now, guys, playing absolutely dumb, trying to say that he knows nothing. Interesting. Moreover, a quote that Insider points to surmises the relationship between SBF and Washington. The entire piece headlines what was the arrangement of sorts between both Bankman-Fried and Washington's regulators. In exchange for millions of donations, they would pay in their trusts. This trust led to picture that Bankman-Fried was a charismatic and transparent face cryptocurrency needed. Now, doesn't this just look like a transparent, charismatic face smiling while stealing billions of dollars?
Oh, man.
Washington was largely asleep at the switch when it came to crypto. And we could say that they've been largely asleep when it comes to anything technology related, seeing how like the average congressperson is probably like 70 years old and they know nothing about technology. So it doesn't faze me that somebody with this face could scam all of Washington. So the insider proclaimed that giving Bankman-Fried an opportunity to drive the train, even by the ethically challenged standards of Washington, and boy, are they ethically challenged, the insider stated the 30-year-old billionaire had devoted an unprecedented level of time and money to influencing the regulators and lawmakers responsible for overseeing his business. The report continued to add that Bankman-Fried sought a self-regulation from these interactions. Subsequently, he noted that the founder had made immense progress in pushing legislation that would have allowed exchanges like FTX to effectively self-regulate. He also worked to steer regulation oversight of crypto. The report noted additionally providing what proved to be the perfect cover for the eventual disappearance of millions in customers' assets. Oh, yeah, but he doesn't know nothing about that.
Right.
Conclusively, the devastation of the FTX fallout is a product of a myriad of factors. Consequently, there is no understanding of the role that SBF's connection to Washington played. Insider said it's best Bankman-Fried set out to rig a notoriously rigged system, and rigged it is. In his actions, surely this wasn't necessary if his defense of an accounting error was true, and boy, do we know that accounting error is not true. But Hobbs, what are your thoughts?
Man, listen, it's like I said earlier when we were talking about this. The thing about FTX, SBF, and FTX situation is I really strongly feel like there's more to this saga that we will never know, right? I take on the opinion, and again, it's completely opinion based. I completely take on the opinion in which there was a puppet master and SBF was used as a puppet. Now, allegedly, he all of a sudden has amnesia. He's all of a sudden incompetent. When if you go back and look into some of his previous interviews in which he spoke about SBF, he spoke about FTX. He stood up right. He looked you in the camera. He said all the right things. He was very intelligible. Right now, you speak to him, and he's got his head down. He doesn't know things. He has no clue what to say. It's almost as if this was the plan from the very beginning, kind of like a Trojan horse, one could say, entered into crypto through FTX and SBF. Unfortunately, those are all my opinions, and we will never know the full truth. It's just not going to pan out that way. However, I do think that this is good and bad for crypto with SBF and FTX, meaning it's good in a sense that more people know about crypto. It's bad that now more people know about crypto in a negative light. So those are kind of my short thoughts on this particular story. And yeah, just watching to see how it all unfolds.
Yeah, and just remember, guys, and you've heard it here first. Never trust a man with three names and this hair.
You called it. You called it. Even before he went bankrupt, you called it. He's like, I don't trust him because he's got three names and he wears his hair like that. I was like,
Yep.
what? It was
Call
spot
it
on.
call it intuition. Who knows?
Call it intuition. It's all good, man. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get out of here. If you like what you hear below, please let us know in the comments down below what you think of the video. Let us know how you feel about the SBF FTX situation. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. But from the crypto shop, my name is T Hobbs. That guy above is Jay Seals. And ClearCryptos Education will catch you on the next one, man. Peace.